Man, I tell you, that just looks like nothing but fun. What's up? This is Casey from Caseyscustoms. In this Sunday bonus video, I have a new customer car coming in, and I am very, very excited about it. It's a 1957 Chevy. My first car I ever owned was a 1957 Chevy. My grandpa bought it for me when I was 7. I spray painted my name on it like a jerk 7-year-old would, and I ended up building that car when I was 18 years old. Here's some pictures of it. Yes, I'm doing bullhorns. It was like 2003, so whatever. Let's get into the episode. So I have decided to start showing more customer car work. The reason I don't show it as often as I should on the channel is because there's no way I can do a weekly video on these. I work a ton of hours on them, but like we've seen some of this 65 International on the channel. The reason you don't see a video very often is because I spent 20 hours remaking the gas tank, getting the gas tank all mounted and all that. That's just not a fun video to watch. So whenever you're doing stuff like that on a customer car, not only do I want it to look a lot better than the rat rods I usually build, but it's usually just intricate stuff that isn't very exciting for a video. I am gonna start doing that more often. I'm just gonna probably put those out, you know, monthly instead of trying to pump one out weekly. I'll still do my personal cars every week because I can pump that content out pretty quickly. I definitely want to start getting into the customer cars a little bit more because I have some really cool stuff down here at the shop. This 55 Ford is one of my personal favorites. We actually built the frame from scratch. I ordered some frame rails bent up from eBay, had them send them to me. I've welded all this 4-link. It actually lays completely on the ground. Can't tell now because I have it on dollies, but the running board lays right on the ground. It looks awesome. I also made the floor from scratch. All this is my work, and then we chopped it, I think 2.5 inches. Gave it just enough of a chop, but nothing crazy. I am super, super excited about this one. We've done some videos on the 65. It's gonna be leaving pretty soon. I'm almost done with it. This 56 has had a ton of work done to it. It's got an LS3 in it. It's got all airbags. Done a million things to it. It's also getting a full paint job. I also have a 2011 Camaro dash, Camaro center console, and Camaro seats. So it's really modern looking. Everything is upgraded on this. It's gonna be a ton of fun. But whenever this 57 gets here, we'll go through it. I think it will be a really good one to start doing videos on and kind of stick with it. This one, we started videos and kind of fell off because I got busy. Same thing with this one. I did do videos on the Camaro dash swap. And we're doing some with the 65, but with this 57 coming in, I really want to kind of keep up with it while we're doing the work on it, get some content out of it, and also show, you know, what we do here at the shop. I do a lot more than just rat rods. Sometimes we actually do really nice stuff. I was running my mouth and I turned around and it was here, so I'm gonna set the time lapse up. Check it out. I'm so excited. I haven't even looked at it yet. We just got unloaded. It also came with a very fun motor, a little Corvette LS3, and he also gave me a brand new engine run stand. We're gonna have to put that together here pretty quick because I want to check it out. But let's look at this. I haven't even looked at it yet. Look at how dusty it is. Look at this. That's worth, I mean, we could sell the barn dust for probably 100 grand on eBay. You know, just turn your old clunker into a barn find with that dust. Oh, let's check it out real quick. 2-door hard top. Oh man, the interior's pretty dang good. Ooh. Wow, the interior is actually really nice. I think this might have been an older restoration. I don't think it's all original. Matter of fact, I know it's not all original now that I see this is painted. The door strikers do not come painted from the factory, so probably redid the interior and paint, I don't know, 20 years ago, 30 years ago it looks like. Super nice though, very excited. We're gonna do LS3 in it. Actually, I take that back. I think we're putting this one in it. This is actually even newer. This is I can't remember what they're called, LQ4. I don't know, it's a 2018, came out of like a Tahoe. We're gonna probably put that one in it, not the Vet one. They're basically the same motor though. That one's just not all aluminum. It has no motor and transmission in it right now. The bumper is in the trunk. It's in pretty good shape. It's definitely got some weathered paint, but it is super cool. But she definitely needs some love. We got trim poking out. We gotta fix that. Let's check out this over here. Oh yeah. Cool. Wow. Funny story, my grandpa restored one of these two-door hardtops when I was a kid, and I remember him telling me how much of a pain in the ass it was to get that flapper to work, because look, it opens and then it flaps shut. See it? I remember him telling me that that thing would not flap right or something. He had a hell of a time with it. All right, we need to, I haven't seen under the hood yet. I haven't really seen anything yet. We need to undo these straps, obviously, and then find the keys, and we will check out the under the hood and under the trunk. Man, I tell you, that just looks like nothing but fun. Check it out. Got the hood open. Like I said, there's no motor and transmission. Wiring doesn't look great either. Probably gonna need to redo that, which I assumed. I don't see any rust, which is a good sign. The great thing about these Tri-5 Chevys is they're so popular. I haven't even looked yet, but I guarantee they make a bolt-on kit for an LS motor and a 4L60 or 4L80 transmission. I guarantee they have one. So definitely need to buy some mounts, get some of that stuff coming, but not bad at all. It is definitely a semi-restored deal. Probably 20 or 30 years ago. Look at this. They just kind of sprayed it to get it a different color. We're not doing anything on the exterior. The exterior looks perfect. I kind of love that it's kind of old and weathered, but we definitely need to update brakes and all that fun stuff. I mean, look at the master cylinder. That ain't gonna stop nothing with a Corvette motor in it. Check out the trunk. I got it open too. Trunk looks very nice. There is also our front bumper. Some of our front bumper. I take that back. Looks like we might be missing. Oh no, they're both there. Okay, cool. I definitely need to order some bolts, get that put back together and get it put on. I don't know why they took that off. I wonder why they took that off. I see that the radiator support and stuff is loose. Obviously, they had to take this out when they pulled the motor. So all that's loose. I'll go ahead and probably put that up in my storage so that it's out of the way. But man, I'm excited. This is a really cool car. It's definitely not perfect. This definitely isn't like a $100,000 restoration or anything, but it's a really good starting point, especially if we're going to put a big nasty motor in it and have some fun with it. Sweet. I'm really excited. It's a friggin' 57 Chevy, baby. I don't know what I might not give this back to him. Oh, by the way, the owner doesn't even know what he's doing with this yet. We're gonna build it and have some fun, but he probably is gonna sell it at the end. So maybe we'll do a giveaway. I don't know. We'll see how much interest this gets. But whenever we get done with this build, we might do a giveaway. He's not sure. That's his 56. That's kind of his baby. He's had it for 30 years. So that's the priority. This is obviously a lot smaller of a job. We're kind of redoing everything on that. So this one will be done before that one, most likely. Actually, I know this one will be done before that one. Cool. I think I'm gonna dig into this engine run stand, see if I can't get it put together, and then see if it will hold this, because that would be awesome to get it put over there in the corner, and then we have all this room. I've never put an engine run stand together, so we're gonna find out together. Let's see what all it is. I think I already opened it. Did I already open it? Yeah. Ooh, that's a very old box. And more boxes. We're gonna time lapse this. Okay, got it together. Naturally, the instructions, there was like 2 pages of instructions for 10,000 steps, so it's kind of a pain in the butt, but we got us an engine run stand. I've always wanted one. I'm very excited he gave that to me. I did all that because I was going to put the Corvette motor on it. I realized the Corvette motor does not have engine mounts on it. So I did all that for nothing, but I mean, I needed to put together either way. We are definitely not putting it on this today. I do want to get this crate moved over in the corner, so I'm going to push it over there, and we'll probably call this a video. I am so excited, but I cannot believe I just spent like 2 hours putting this damn thing together. It is what it is. Check it out. We got all of our stuff put out of the way, and now I can actually scoot this in the middle of the shop instead of being way over there in the corner. I can go ahead and get to work. I'm going to get online and order a ton of parts for it. Like I said, it looks like they sell a lot of stuff where we can just bolt this in, but I'm definitely not going to touch it for at least a couple weeks because I have so many parts I'm going to have to order. But I am super excited. Let me know if you guys are as excited about this 57 Chevy as I am. I cannot wait to get to work on it. And let me know what you think about the giveaway. It's like I said, customer was kind of on board with that because I think he's just we're gonna do the work and then basically gonna sell it from my shop. He doesn't really need it. Or maybe I'll just try and get my money together and buy it outright. That would be good, but I'm gonna have to sell a lot of shit. Probably the Porsche, probably all kinds of stuff. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I am so excited, I can't even explain it. I know this is a shorter video, but this is what I had going on this week. So I just wanted to bring you along. Sometimes these Sunday bonus videos are a big affair. Sometimes they're just me doing a vlog, talking about a cool new car I have coming in the shop. I cannot wait. I know I've said that 10 times. I apologize. I am very excited. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff they tell you at the end of videos, and check out some more of my other videos. Peace. Love ya.
I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie.